name is Manjeet Singh. Today I am presenting a presentation on facilitating business innovation and change. And this is a table of content which includes all the things like introduction, business problem, description of business problem, type of innovation, type of change, strategies, and at the end conclusion and references. So introduction from the Countdown is a supermarket, retail supermarket, and this firm provides different varieties of functions for the customers. Like they supply the food, daily use products. The firm is founded in 1981, and in the recent time, this firm operating its business at 184 locations in New Zealand with a workforce of 18,000 employees are working. This firm operates different functions such as supplies, procurement, marketing and sales, production and human resources. So there is a business problem. The main issue for the firm is not to track the shortage of supplies that affects the business of the firm and the customer base also. Like there is a problem, the shelves due to coronavirus, the shelves are, the countdown inside, the shelves are finished and they need a person to fulfill the things. And due to this, most of the outlets of the firms are empty. For the customer, there was a huge dissatisfaction for the customers regarding the service of the firm. Due to this issue, firm is also not able to meet the needs of customers, to provide a better service for the customers and peoples. And description of business problem, like not proper tracking of orders was major issue for the firm that was affecting the customers. Not meeting the needs of customers is also issue, and that was due to not proper management and tracking system. Not timely service provided to the customers was affecting the business growth of the firm. Lack of innovation efficiency was the issue that made hurdle for the firm to use something new for the firm performance. So description of detailed description of innovation area. So I use a predictive analytic tool for identifying the supply and demand conditions. For adopting this, there will be the use of inclusion of artificial intelligence by the firm. Then only firm can proceed for adopting predictive analytic tools. This tool is helpful for giving the product information, like which product is we want to order and which product is not, which product is finished. So this would be the better for the firm to check the order track. It as well as timely delivered the products for the customers as per their needs. So type of innovation, like the above stated innovation will come under the technological innovation, in which the whole tracking system of the firm will be changed. It is because there will be an implementation of new software that will make a wide change in the process of the firm. So these are the 5 principles and practices which are used in business knowledge. First is the principles and practices of operation. This principle is used to make a better management of inventory stocks and for achievement of higher efficiency, operation efficiency. And principles and practices accounting, like is used for make a record, make a record of accounting, like which product is coming, and they also like record the figure, how much amount I check the company in profit or loss. And principle of practices of sales and marketing, like this principle is used for to like check fulfill the needs of customers. And principles of human resources, we need a person to fill the shelves of the countdown company, and he will use the technology gadget to track which product is available or which product is not available. And principles and practices of risk management. So every business have a risk. So this innovation is used to decrease the risk of risk management. So type of change, the linear incremental change is used. The change would be linear change because of change in technology. This change need to improvement in the organization will help for managing the tracking issue. So these are the strategies to create a culture of innovation, accepting failure, empowering the employees, reward management program. So accepting failure as a leader, there should be a responsibility of accepting the failure so that the innovation can be implemented successfully. So empowering the employees for performing better and to handle the business, the improvement of power of employees is must for the firm. Reward management system, it helps to motivate the employees to develop the performance as well. So role of strategy in the motivation. So for motivating the people, it is needed for the firm to motivate the people, and for this use some ways and techniques that can motivate the employees by giving the rewards. The leader of the firm also has to lead people for better motivation and handling the business along with motivation. So this is the stakeholder engagement process. First of all, there are the 7 steps which first of all, set engagement objective, then identify and assess stakeholder, develop engagement plan or techniques, implement engagement plan, assess the engagement process, respond to engagement results, measure and report process. So this is the internal stakeholder feedback. I put ask the question to Mark Fandy. Is working in a Countdown as an employee. So I asked, do you feel that productive analytic innovation is helping you in performing the operations? And this is the evidence. So he gave the answer. So I asked a question for external stakeholder. He's a customer. His name is Nikunj Patel. He's a customer. He buying the products. He's a daily use product, buying the products from Countdown. So I asked 2 questions. What change have you experienced after visiting Countdown in past 2 weeks? And are you currently happy or satisfied with the services and products of Countdown? So this is the evidence. He gave the answer. So conclusion, it can be concluded that there are different issues that are faced by firm and affect the business of the firm as well. But at the same time, the use of adopt predictive analytic tool will be better for the firm to manage the issue and to perform well also. This is the references which I take from where I take the information. Thank you.
Are there any questions from the audience, please?
Can you please explain what sort of feedback you have received from the stakeholders?
So I asked the Mark Friendly is working as an employee. He feel that productive analytic has defined helped in boosting operation. It will the smoothness of scheduling and statistical report that are generated regarding the stocks and the shelf items has helped me in providing better information to the manager. So first question I asked to the external, what change have you experienced after visiting Countdown in past 2 weeks? He said that I am witness that there is a sufficient supply of essential items. I think that they have stocked up the goods that are mostly preferred by the consumers. So second question, are you currently happy, satisfied with the services and product and services of Countdown? He say, I would say that I am happy that I don't have to go to multiple stores for the collecting the products. I can purchase them from Countdown and save my time.
Are there any more questions?
Are you satisfied with the feedback of the customers?
Yes, I am satisfied with the feedback from the customers. I am very thankful to customers who give me a feedback. Normally people are very busy at the work due to COVID-19.
Okay, just a question from my end. Basically for the innovative concept, it is not very clear to me, Simran, just because one place you have mentioned just to implement new software, one what you were talking about, just that is for the inclusion of artificial intelligence. And just you have taken the feedback for some sort of basically the just
Like this tool is,
it is not matched with each other. Just can you explain why is that?
like ma'am, this tool is used by artificial intelligence, and there is a tool like predictive analytic tool. They store which like product is finished. The employee gives the information to the manager. This product is finished in the countdown. You have to order before 2 days.
Just that is there any specific just the artificial intelligence tool that you recommend? Is there
No, ma'am.
anything from your side?
Like artificial intelligence use this software. It is very
Any,
helpful.
just, I mean, that's any particular software that you recommend?
Uh,
Because in the market there are many
Many
softwares
software.
available. Just what is your concept? What you are recommending?
like ma'am, like there is a countdown app for the customers.
If you don't have any ideas, any specific, just that is your idea is to go for the artificial intelligence as a new concept. Just you at this stage you didn't discuss what is the particular software that you are recommending, right?
Yes.
Okay, just then for the feedback wise, you have just asked the feedback for the predictive analytics, but not the exactly what the innovative concept. Why is that? Just if you are just referring to the feedback, can you go back to the internal or external? Like, yeah, just the internal feedback. Yes. This is an internal
Yes,
stakeholder
internal.
feedback. You have asked, do you feel that the predictive analytics innovation has helped you to perform the operations? Just here, that is, you haven't mentioned anything about the artificial intelligence. That is, you have to ask the feedback about the innovative concept, right? Just that is the predictive analytics is just like some analytical concept only. Just, it is quite complicated whether you have received the right answer from your stakeholders. Right? Is there anything that you want to talk about?
No, I'm taking.
No. Okay, right. Thank you. Thanks.